All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
India launched its first water metro system as a new approach to urban transport. This revolutionary water transport system runs on diesel, unlike other advanced electric or hydrogen propulsion systems. People across the globe discuss how this new transport project could change how cities move people. We will examine how Kochi Water Metro benefits India. Kochi Metro Rail Limited launched the Kochi Water Metro as India's first water-based transport system. This project uses the many waterways in Kochi to create a clean transport system that addresses urban transportation problems. This plan helps lower crowded roads and environmental issues by giving commuters a fresh way to travel. We have made significant advances in transforming natural elements into urban growth. The system boasts updated features, including comfortable seating and modern safety systems with AC for passenger comfort. The project establishes sustainable transportation practices that other national transport initiatives will use as their model. The metro's positive results have inspired Indian cities to explore expanding its success throughout the country. The successful Kochi Water Metro launch led KMRL to outline plans for building 18 similar systems across India. KMRL has already performed feasibility research in various regions in the direction of the Ministry of Ports, Shipping, and Waterways to determine which areas can support water metro operations. The study scope involves reviewing transportation feasibility for the Brahmaputra River in Guwahati, the lake in Jammu and Kashmir, and additional urban waterways throughout the country. Besides Kochi, experts are evaluating the potential of water metro implementation in 5 more cities: Ahmedabad, Surat, Goa, Varanasi, and Mumbai. Feasibility studies evaluate how well natural waterways serve populations with reasonable transport demands in specific regions. This project will create breakthrough transportation options in locations where basic road and rail connections are inadequate. While other modern transit systems have been converted to electric or hydrogen, the Kochi Water Metro runs on diesel. The project choice shows the need to balance environmental effects with practical needs. Diesel-powered equipment is already available, which helps reduce both costs and deployment times. India should consider implementing diesel because it meets immediate transportation requirements despite having lower environmental benefits. This approach lets us build diesel transport systems before new fuel technologies can properly support similar projects. India plans to upgrade to electric and hydrogen-powered transport systems when science and technology improve. The Kochi Water Metro leads the way forward in urban transportation by supporting sustainable growth and solving local traffic problems. The use of water transport for this project matches international moves towards sustainable public transport. Kerala shows why it leads by using modern solutions while protecting nature. This project eases city traffic, reduces air pollutants, and enhances the connection of towns. It would help all cities adopt better transportation systems throughout the country. By lowering pollution and improving ride quality, the water metro system can help build sustainable urban centers for the future. The Kochi Water Metro initiative brings tourism growth to Kerala by providing an attractive water-based travel service throughout the region. Tourists can explore the city with our eco-friendly water system that helps protect the environment by reducing emissions. The project enhances local living through better transportation to remote locations and supports area development by creating employment. Cheap water metro fares let everyone in the community access daily transportation by boat. The water metro system lets people travel between water routes, roadways, and subway lines for their daily transportation needs. KMRL studies the addition of renewable energy technology during its upcoming improvements to minimize environmental effects. Future updates to the system will show other countries how to solve their urban transport needs differently.